What's going on, guys? Let's look at this problem right here. Here this question is asking, assuming v1 is equal to v0 cos omega t plus v0 and v2 is equal to negative v0 cos omega t plus v0, plot vp as a function of time for the circuit shown in figure. Assume it is constant. Okay, now let's see how to do that. First of all, we are going to apply KCL at point P, Vp. Okay, KCL at point P, at P. If you apply KCL at point P, KCL says addition of all the current is equal to 0. So this will become, the current here is going to be Vp minus V1 divided by the resistance in between, that is RC, plus Vp minus V2 divided by RC. Vp minus V2 divided by RC, and here we have a current that's provided, so I1, that's equal to 0. Here our purpose is to find out the Vp, because if you solve for Vp, that's going to be the value is going to be constant at Vp per time graph. Now here, since we have the same denominator, we can add them together, so this will become 2Vp minus V1 minus V2 divided by RC plus I1 is equal to 0. Here we want to separate Vp alone, so this will become 2Vp over RC, and in the other side, if we bring this to the other side, this is going to become V1 plus V2 divided by RC, and if I bring this I1 to the other side, this is going to be minus I1, and we want to get rid of this RC and 2, so we have to multiply this one with the other side, so this will become Vp is equal to V1 plus V2, and RC cancels for the first one, and 2 will be in the denominator. For the second one, we will have I1 times RC, and also we have to divide this one by 2, so this will become 2 right here. Now here they have provided V1 and V2 value. That's what we are going to plug for this V1 and V2. If we plug that, this will become V0 cos omega t plus V0 plus minus V0 cos omega t plus V0 divided by 2 minus I1 RC divided by 2. From this one you can see V0 cos omega t, negative V0 cos omega t, both will be cancelled. V0, that's going to be 2V0, 2V0 divided by 2, that's going to be just V0 right here, minus I1 RC divided by 2. And this is the value that's going to be constant in Vp per time graph. So if we draw the Vp per time graph, this is time, this is Vp, we are going to have a constant value for Vp. That occurs when we have V0, Vp is equal to V0 minus I1 RC divided by 2. And that's it. That's how we do this kind of problems. I hope you guys find this video helpful. Thanks for watching, and if you are trying to learn electronics too, there are a bunch of videos in my playlist. I hope you guys watch that too. Don't forget to subscribe. See you next time.